this video, you're gonna see crazy hair results. I mean, my hair was so dry, brittle, fragile. I mean, it was just terrible to look at. It wasn't soft, it was rough, hard. Now it's restored with body in shine, and the curls are so defined now. I just love it. Stay tuned. Perfect. So now it's time to rinse out the avocado and extra olive oil and honey that I left in my hair for 2 to 3 hours with the plastic bag. As you see, it was a little bit hard to rinse it all completely out. Make for sure the water is room temperature or a little bit colder. So down below, I'm gonna put all the ingredients and with them how much amounts that I use to make this hair mask, this DIY hair mask. You know, just a little avocado, 2 tablespoons of the honey, and you could put about 3 tablespoons of extra olive oil or coconut oil, whatever you prefer. Make sure you leave it in the hair for about 2 to 3 hours like I did. And here we go, rinsing it out. Man, my hair just feels so much softer already. I can feel the difference. It prevents my hair from breakage. It helps my curl pattern. It seals the hair. It prevents split ends. It brings my hair just so much shinier and healthier, and it helps motivate your hair because you have all the proper vitamins like your B complex and your E and your biotin, that which your hair needs to grow healthier, longer, stronger, and shinier. So the honey helped seal the water in my hair, so it keeps the hair very moist and luster, curls. The oil is light, but it doesn't weigh my hair down. It can make my hair feel a lot softer even with the first time using it. Now, I always use Kinky Curly Today leave-in conditioner because it's really easy as I'm using this product, it makes it so much easier to comb through my hair or brush through it lightly. Now, I did fast speed up the video, so just remember to be very gentle with your hair. Don't brush it and comb it too rough. Now for my DIY hair mask that I made, it did have extra olive oil. Extra olive oil benefits is really great for buildup. If you have a lot of excess buildup in your hair, it helps get that out of there, and it helps stimulate your scalp, and it really makes your hair grow stronger and shinier. So that's a must use. Now it's really good to mix the extra olive oil with the honey. They work hand in hand together. It really nourishes your hair, and it just really makes the hair much shinier. And make sure you apply it on the tips and then work your way to the top. So it looks like I'm almost done rinsing this out, and it's time to show you how it's going to look completely dry. Now this is completely dried with no product whatsoever, and make sure when you dry, you guys just wrap your hair in a t-shirt. Don't use a towel. And now it's time to apply a little bit of my contour. I'm going to speed this up for you guys. I always apply my makeup very, very natural. I never overload it, and it just takes a little bit and it goes a long way. I just make for sure I really get under the eye with the contour and around my mouth. As you know, I got the little crease going on there. And I definitely always highlight my cheekbones. And you know, because everything is closed, we can't get our eyebrows waxed or top of our lip waxed or anything. So, you know, I just make for sure I really clean up the eyebrows to make it look like I just got them waxed. So this is my contour kit. Anastasia. I love Anastasia. I just hate that Sephora no longer carries this. I cannot find it no more. And mine is like so old, but it has all the great colors for my complexion. As you know, I have like 3 different colors on my face. My forehead is a lot darker than my chin and my cheeks, so I have to make sure I blend all those colors in correctly. You have to use a little bit of Chanel in your life. That's a Chanel eye concealer. I let it set on underneath my eye just for a little bit so it can just be a little bit thicker. And I just cheat. I use my mascara on my eyebrows because it's waterproof. I really hope you guys like the soundtrack. It's from my friend Deprice and his cousin Malachi. I'll put their link down below. You know when you apply your makeup and under your eye is still shiny, like you could see a big chunk of makeup on there? So I just put this like nude powder in the areas where I put like a little bit more foundation than usual and just soften, blend it in so it's not like a big old shiny glare there. Make sure you have a great blending brush, and voila, a little bit of makeup goes a long way. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Leave comments down below, and it works. And it wasn't really that messy because I've been trying to figure out things that are not too messy. So avocado, honey, and a little bit of extra olive oil, stir it up really good, and you get great results. This is no product in my hair, nothing. I just rinsed it out, and this is like 3 hours later. Like, the curls are so defined. It gave away the frizz. My hair was so dry. Hey you guys, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. I want to know what you guys think about this video.